Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maths by Samit Deshmukh. In this video, we are solving example from question number 7. In this question, we have to differentiate the given function with respect to x. So if you are new on my channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of every newly uploaded videos. See the first example from question number 7. Here y is equal to cot inverse of cot of e raised to power x square. In case if you are able to simplify this function, so first simplify it applying the formulas or from trigonometry or applying the properties of inverse trigonometric function. जो भी apply हो सकता है, जो formulas या properties apply हो सकती है, उससे पहले given function को simplify करो और बाद में simplest form में जब फंक्शन मिलेगा हमें at that time find out its differentiation. So this will be the very easy method while finding differentiation of inverse trigonometric function. In every case it is not possible to apply properties or apply the formulas of trigonometry, but in some cases observing the given function आपको analysis करते आना चाहिए function को देख के कि यहाँ पे trigonometric के formula apply हो सकती है या properties apply हो सकती है inverse trigonometric function की. So here we are able to solve this example applying properties of inverse trigonometric function. We have one property that cot inverse of cot x will be equal to x, isn't it? So in short we can say that what cot inverse and cot will get cancel. हम इसे cancel नहीं करेंगे लेकिन याद रखने के लिए हम ऐसा बोल सकते that cot inverse and cot will get what cancel. Actually it is nothing but our property that cot inverse of cot x will be x. But what is x here? E raised to power x square means after cancelling cot inverse and cot, what will get? E raised to power x square. Now the function is in the simplest form. Now let us differentiate it with respect to x. So differentiate this function with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy upon dx. Here if you observe the function, it is in the form of e raised to power f of x. And what is the derivative of e raised to power f of x? E raised to power f of x into derivative of f of x. So this is nothing but f of x here. So its derivative is e raised to power f of x. What is f of x? X square into derivative of f of x. F of x is what here? X square. So e raised to power x square, keep it as it is. And what is derivative of x square? Will be equal to 2x. So multiply by 2x into e raised to power x square will be the differentiation of this function. Now observe the next example. In this case given function is y is equal to cosec inverse of 1 upon cos x. So here also we are able to simplify it applying the properties of inverse trigonometric function and some interrelation between trigonometric ratios. So here cosec inverse of x, keep it as it is. If I am taking reciprocal of cos, it will get converted into sec phi raised to power x, isn't it? So which is equal to, we are not disturbing to cosec inverse, but this sec can be converted in terms of cosec applying allied angle formulas. So we know that sec theta can be written as cosec pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta. What is theta here? Phi raised to power x. Hope you are getting it. Again try to understand. Cosec pi by 2 minus theta will be equal to sec theta according to allied angle formula. So sec theta can be written as cosec pi by 2 minus theta. Now here this expression is get converted into cosec. So our property of inverse trigonometric function says that cosec inverse of cosec x will be equal to x, means in short cosec inverse and cosec will get cancelled. And what is the remaining term here? Pi by 2 minus phi raised to power x. Means we have converted this function in the simplest form. Now we are differentiating it with respect to x. So differentiate it with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy upon dx. Derivative of this pi by 2 is 0. Minus, keep it as it is. And derivative of phi raised to power x will be phi raised to power x into log phi u, because it is in the form of a raised to power x. What is the value of a? Phi u. So its derivative is a raised to power x into log a, but a is what here? Phi u. So which is equal to, not necessarily write 0 here, minus into phi raised to power x into log phi u will be the differentiation of this given function. In this way we have got derivative of this function. Now see the third example. In this case, observe the given function y is equal to cos inverse of under root 1 minus cos x upon 2. Means if you observe this expression, it is a trigonometric expression because trigonometric ratios appears. That's why we can say that this function is trigonometric. So if cos inverse appears, so let us check whether is it possible to convert it in terms of cos. If we are able to convert it in terms of cos, at that time we can say that cos inverse and cos will get cancelled. Means we are able to convert this given function in the simplest form, and once it will get converted into simplest form, it becomes very easy to find out its differentiation. So to simplify it, we should have to know all the formulas of trigonometry. So let us check whether it will get simplified or not. If we are not able to simplify it, means we have to apply which method? Consider this as f of x and apply the formula of cos inverse of f of x. But in case if it is possible to simplify it, then definitely first simplify and later on find out differentiation of simplest form. Hope the ideas are very clear to you. So here under root, keep it as it is, observe the numerator 1 plus cos x, means numerator can be simplified applying half angle formula. What is the value of 1 plus cos theta? Will be equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta, theta is what here? X by 2. In the denominator 2 keep it as it is, 2 will get cancelled here. So just we have applied here half angle formula. So cos inverse of, now cos square x by 2 outside the root will become cos x by 2, isn't it? Just simply this is the term of square and root will get cancelled, we will get cos x by 2. Now we are able to apply the property of inverse trigonometric function. Cos inverse of cos x will be x, but what is x here? X by 2, means in short we can say that cos inverse and cos will get cancelled. So we have got here x by 2 is the value of y, means we have converted this equation or given trigonometric function in the simplest form. Now let us differentiate it with respect to x. So derivative of y is denoted by dy by dx, and on this side 1 by 2 is a constant term, keep it as it is, and derivative of x will be equals to 1. So 1 into 1 by 2 will be equal to 1 by 2. In this way we have got the differentiation of this function. Now observe the next example. In this case also the given function is cos inverse of under root 1 minus cos x square upon 2. Here also we will try to convert this expression in terms of cos, so that cos and cos inverse will get cancelled. Means let us check whether is it possible to convert it into simplest form or not. So which is equal to cos inverse of, so here this under root keep it as it is, observe the numerator very carefully. In the denominator 2 keep it as it is, but observe the numerator is in the form of 1 minus cos theta, and according to half angle formula 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sine square theta by 2. Theta is what here? X square, means here we will get x square by 2. So 2 will get cancelled. So cos inverse keep it as it is. Here this square root of sine square x square by 2, means this square and root will get cancelled. Otherwise take this term of square outside the root, this square will get cancelled. Means what is remaining term? Sine x square by 2, isn't it? Just simply this square and root will get cancelled. So here cos inverse keep it as it is. To apply our property, अगर यहाँ पे cos inverse है तो ये cos होना चाहिए, so that easily we are able to simplify it. And we have already written some properties of inverse trigonometric function, in which we have seen that sine can be converted in terms of cos, cos can be converted in terms of sine, tan in terms of cot, cot in terms of tan, sec in terms of cosec, and cosec in terms of sec, applying allied angle formulas. So let us make the use of allied angle formula. So sine theta can be written as cos pi by 2 minus theta. What is theta here? X square upon 2. Hope you are getting it. Otherwise, in other word, we can say that cos pi by 2 minus theta will be equal to sin theta. This is theta here, x square by 2. Means in this way, applying allied angle formula, we have converted sine in terms of cos. Now apply the properties of inverse trigonometric function. So cos inverse and cos will get cancelled. What is remaining term? Pi by 2 minus x square by 2. In this way, we have converted the given function in the simplest form. Now we are finding its differentiation. So differentiate it with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy upon dx. Here derivative of pi by 2 is 0 because it is a constant term. Here 1 by 2 is a constant term. Keep it as it is. What is derivative of x square? Derivative of x square will be equal to 2x. So dy upon dx will be equal to, not necessarily 0 here, keep minus as it is. 2 will get cancelled. Remaining term is x. Means here dy upon dx will be equal to minus x, which is our required differentiation. Now see the example number 5th. In this example, given function is y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus tan x by 2 plus 1 upon 1 plus tan x by 2. So here also we are trying to convert this expression in terms of tan, so that tan inverse and tan will get cancelled according to one of our property of inverse trigonometric function. So let us convert it in terms of tan. So which is equals to, so this y keep it as it is, so this tan inverse also as it is. So here observe the numerator 1 can I say that it is the value of tan 45. Tan 45 means tan pi by 4. So when I am replacing by tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 2, just I am trying to arrange the term in the form of tan a minus b. Okay, so in the denominator again 1 keep it as it is plus, here nothing is multiple of tan x by 2, means here nothing is in the coefficient, means 1 is always there, and 1 is nothing but value of what, tan pi by 4, means tan 45 into tan x by 2, keep it as it is. Hope you have got it. So here coefficient of tan x by 2 is 1, and that 1 can be replaced by tan pi by 4, means tan 45, keep tan x by 2 as it is. Just simply we are trying to arrange the term in the form of formula of tan a minus b. What is the formula of tan a minus b? Tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. So we have arranged the term in the form of compound angle formula, means formula of tan a minus b. So this expression can be written as tan a means what, pi by 4, minus b means what, x by 2. So you should have to know the formulas of tan, means formulas of compound angle formulas. Here which formula we are applying? Tan a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. A means here pi by 4 and b means here x by 2. So here we can observe that this whole, simplifying this expression, we have converted it in terms of tan. Now according to property of inverse trigonometric function, tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. What is the remaining term then? So which will be equals to pi by 4 minus x by 2. So once we have converted the given function in the simplest form, remaining part is just to find out differentiation. So differentiate it with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy upon dx, derivative of pi by 4 is 0, minus keep it as it is, this 1 by 2 is a constant term, keep 1 by 2 as it is, and what is derivative of x will be equal to 1. So in this way differentiation is also completed. So we can say that dy upon dx will be equal to, not necessarily 0 here, keep minus as it is, and 1 by 2 into 1 will be equal to 1 by 2. In this way we have got the differentiation of this function. Now let us try to find out derivative of this. Next example, example number 6. In this case, given function is y is equal to cosec inverse of 1 upon 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. So here we are trying to convert this expression in terms of cosec, so that cosec inverse and cosec will get cancelled according to property of inverse trigonometric function. So let us simplify it. So in the numerator 1 keep it as it is, but if you observe the denominator very carefully, so the example is in the form of, or denominator is in the form of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Consider this 2x as what? Theta. Now 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is nothing but value of what? Cos 3 theta according to triple angle formula. What is theta here? 2x. Hope you have got it. So 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is the value of what? Cos 3 theta. Theta is what here? 2x, isn't it? Just simply we are applying here triple angle formula. So which is equal to cosec inverse, keep it as it is, in the numerator 1 as it is, in the denominator cos 3 into 2 is what? 6x. So which is equals to cosec inverse of 1 upon better way take the reciprocal of cos. What is the reciprocal of cos? Will be equal to 6 and what is theta here? 6x. Now we are trying to convert sec in terms of what? Cosec, and this is possible applying what? Allied angle formula. So here cosec inverse, keep it as it is. Now sec theta can be written as cosec pi by 2 minus theta. What is theta here? 6x. Just simply we have applied here allied angle formula. Cosec pi by 2 minus theta will be equal to sec theta. Theta is what here? 6x. Well, we have converted this expression in terms of cosec. Now, according to property of inverse trigonometric function, cosec inverse of cosec theta will be theta. What is theta here? Theta is here pi by 2 minus 6x, or in other word we can say that cosec inverse and cosec will get cancelled on this side. Why keep it as it is? Now we are differentiating this function with respect to what? X. So differentiate it with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy upon dx. Derivative of constant term, pi by 2 is a constant term because x variable does not appear, so that's why its derivative is 0. Minus 6 is a constant term, keep it as it is. Derivative of x is 1. So dy upon dx will be equals to what differentiation we are getting here? Minus 6 into 1 will be equal to minus 6. In this way we have got the derivative of this function also. Now see the example number 7th. In this case, given function is y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus cos x by 3 into sine divided by sine x by 3. So here we can observe that trigonometric expression appears. Let us try to convert it in terms of what? Tan, so that tan inverse and tan will get what? Cancel. So let us simplify it. So which is equals to, keep this tan inverse as it is, tan inverse as it is. So according to half angle formula, 1 plus cos theta, consider this x by 3 as what? Theta. And what is the value of 1 plus cos theta? Will be equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. What is theta here? X by 2. X by 3 into half means x by 6. So this result we are getting in the numerator applying half angle formula. So in the denominator is also sine theta. According to half angle formula, sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2. What is theta here? X by 3. By 2 means we are dividing by 2. So in the numerator we will get x, and in the denominator 2 3s are 6. Means x theta by 2 will be equal to what here? X by 6. So sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2. This is theta, and its divided by 2 will become what? X by 6. So sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Here also theta by 2 means what will get here? X by 6. Hope you are getting it. All these results we are getting applying what? Half angle formula. So now let us simplify it. So which is equal to tan inverse, keep it as it is. Check that which terms from numerator and denominator will get cancelled. 2 will get cancelled. Again this cos x by 6 and 1 cos x by 6 from numerator will get cancelled. After cancelling 2 and cos x by 6, remaining term in the numerator is cos x by 6, and in the denominator is sin x by 6. So in the denominator 2 will get cancelled, and this cos x by 6 will get cancelled with 1 cos x by 6 from numerator. So which is equal to tan inverse, keep it as it is here, cos upon sine will become cot x by 6. So we know that interrelation says that cos theta upon sine theta is equal to cot theta. Now here tan inverse is there. So our aim is to convert this expression in terms of tan, and to convert it in terms of tan we have to apply allied angle formula. So tan inverse of cot theta can be written as what? Tan pi by 2 minus theta. What is theta here? X by 6. So tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. Here remaining term is pi by 2 minus x by 6. This is nothing but value of y. Now we are differentiating it with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy upon dx is equal to derivative of pi by 2 is what? 0, and minus, keep it as it is, derivative of x by 6 will be equal to 1 by 6, because we know that whatever may be the coefficient of x will be its derivative. So will be equal to minus 1 by 6. In this way we have got the differentiation of this function. Same method we are applying to solve the next example also. Here cot inverse is there. So simplifying this expression, we will try to convert it in terms of cot. Once cot inverse and cot will get cancelled, means if we are able to write down the given function in the simplest form, easily we are able to find out its differentiation. So which is equals to, keep this cot inverse as it is. Now according to half angle formula, sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2. Theta is here 3x by 2, means 3x by 2 into cos 3x by 2. Just simply we have applied half angle formula in the numerator. So we are applying half angle formula in the denominator also. Denominator is in the form of 1 plus cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta will be equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. What is theta here? 3x. So 3x by 2. So in numerator and denominator, in both, we have applied half angle formula. So let us check which terms from numerator and denominator will get cancelled. Here we can observe that 2 will get cancelled, and cos 3x by 2 and 1 cos 3x by 2 from denominator will get cancelled. So remaining term in numerator is sin 3x by 2, and in the denominator it's cos 3x by 2. And according to interrelation between trigonometric function, we know that sin theta upon cos theta will be equals to what? Tan theta. What is theta here? 3x upon 2. So in this way we have converted this expression in terms of tan, but required we have to convert this expression in terms of cot, so that cot inverse and cot will get what? Cancel. So tan can be converted in terms of cot applying allied angle formula. So tan theta can be written as cot pi by 2 minus theta. What is theta here? 3x upon 2, isn't it? So we know that cot pi by 2 minus theta is tan theta. So tan theta can be written as cot pi by 2 minus theta. So now cot inverse and cot will get cancelled. What is the simplest form? Pi by 2 minus 3x by 2. In this way we have written the given function in the simplest form. Now it becomes very easy to find out its differentiation. So differentiate it with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy upon dx, and on this side derivative of pi by 2 is 0, minus keep it as it is, and derivative of 3x by 2 is 3 by 2, because we know that whatever may be the coefficient of x will be its derivative. So in this way, what value of dy by dx we have got here? Minus 3 by 2. So will be our required differentiation. Now see the example number 9th. In this example, given function is y is equal to tan inverse of cos 7x upon 1 plus sin 7x. So simplifying this expression, we are trying to convert it in terms of tan. If we are able to convert it in terms of tan, then applying property of inverse trigonometric function, tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. Using this method, we are trying to convert it in the simplest form. So let us simplify this expression. So tan inverse, keep it as it is. In the numerator, term is in the form of cos theta. Now, according to half angle formula, cos theta can be replaced by cos square theta by 2, means 7x by 2, minus sin square theta by 2. What is theta here? 7x by 2. Just we are applying half angle formula in the numerator, and in the denominator also we are applying half angle formula. According to half angle formula, 1 plus sin theta can be written as cos theta by 2. Theta is what here? 7x. So theta by 2 means 7x by 2 plus sin theta by 2, 7x by 2 whole bracket square. In the denominator here we will get whole bracket square, isn't it? Just in the numerator and denominator, in both the cases we have applied what? Half angle formula. So which is equals to, here tan inverse, keep it as it is. Now observe the numerator very carefully. In the numerator, terms are in the form of a square minus b square. And what are the factors of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. A means what here? Cos 7x by 2, and b means what? Sin x by 2. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. A means here cos 7x by 2 plus b. B means what? Sin 7x by 2. A plus b into a minus b. A is here cos 7x by 2 minus sin 7x by 2. Just simply we have got the factor, applying which formula? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Keep denominator as it is, cos 7x by 2 plus sine 7x by 2, keep it as it is. We are not disturbing to denominator, keep this whole bracket square as it is. So which is equal to, now observe the numerator and denominator very carefully. Check which terms from numerator and denominator will get cancelled. So cos 7x by 2 plus sine 7x by 2, and here also cos 7x by 2 plus sine 7x by 2 is there. Means this term and one term from this square will get what? Cancel. So here this is the remaining term. Which is the remaining term? Cos 7x by 2 minus sine 7x by 2 is the remaining term in the numerator, and in the denominator cos 7x by 2 plus sine 7x by 2 is the remaining term, isn't it? Now we are simplifying it to convert it in terms of tan. So which is equals to, yet we have not got the result in terms of tan. So we are dividing to numerator and denominator by cos 7x by 2. Let us see what we'll get. So here write down, divide numerator and denominator by cos 7x by 2. Let us see what we will get after dividing by cos 7x by 2. So keep this tan inverse, keep it as it is. So cos 7x by 2 divided by cos 7x by 2 is 1, minus sine upon cos will be tan 7x by 2. Now we are dividing to denominator. Again cos upon cos is 1, plus keep it as it is, sine upon cos is tan 7x by 2. We know that 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta is nothing but the formula of what? Tan pi by 4 minus theta. So tan pi by 4 minus theta. What is theta here? 7x by 2 will be our theta, isn't it? So again observe here, tan inverse, keep it as it is. We are not disturbing to tan inverse, but we know that 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta is nothing but formula of tan pi by 4 minus theta. This is nothing but compound angle formulas. So which is equal to, in this way we have converted this expression in terms of tan. So tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. What is the remaining term? Pi by 4 minus 7x by 2. So this is the value of y. Now the function is in the simplest form. That's why we are finding its differentiation with respect to x. So derivative of y with respect to x is dy upon dx. On this side, derivative of pi by 4 constant term is 0, minus 7 by 2 is a constant term, keep it as it is. Derivative of x is 1, or in other word we can say that whatever may be the coefficient of x will be its derivative. So in this way we have got the value of dy by dx will be equals to minus 7 by 2. Now see the example number 10th. In this case given function is y is equal to tan inverse of under root 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Let us simplify it to convert it in terms of what? Tan, so that tan inverse and tan will get cancelled. So keep this tan inverse, keep it as it is. So here according to half angle formula, 1 plus cos x can be replaced by 2 cos square x by 2, and in the denominator 1 minus cos x, again according to half angle formula, can be replaced by 2 sine square x by 2. Just simply we have applied half angle formula in numerator and what? Denominator. So which is equal to tan inverse of, so observe here under root, keep it as it is, these 2 will get cancelled. Cos square x by 2 upon sine square x by 2 will be equal to cot square x by 2, because we know that cos upon sine is cot. So in the same way cos square theta upon sine square theta will be equals to cot square theta. So which is equal to tan inverse of, now cot square outside the root will become cot x by 2. So now our aim is to convert it in terms of tan. So to convert it in terms of tan, we are applying allied angle formula. So we know that cot theta can be written as tan pi by 2 minus theta. Theta is what here? X by 2. Theta is here x by 2. So tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. What result we will get? Pi by 2 minus x by 2. So this is nothing but value of y. Once the value of y is in simplest form is known to us, remaining part is just to differentiate it with respect to x. So differentiate it with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x is denoted by dy by dx. derivative of pi by 2 will be 0, and derivative of minus x by 2 will be equals to minus 1 by 2. Means what result we have got here? Dy upon dx will be equals to minus 1 by 2. In this way, we have got the derivative of this function. Now see the example number 11th. In this case, given function is y is equal to tan inverse of cosec x plus cot x. Here also we are simplifying this expression, and we will try to convert it in terms of tan, so that tan inverse and tan will get what? Cancel. So let us try to simplify it. So which is equal to tan inverse, keep it as it is. According to interrelation between trigonometric function, cosec can be written as 1 upon sin x and cot x can be written as cos x upon sin x, isn't it? So which is equals to, keep tan inverse as it is. Here we can observe that denominator of both the terms are same. What is denominator? Sin x. So we are able to take the addition of numerator. Means what we will get in the numerator? 1 plus cos x, isn't it? So which is equal to tan inverse, keep it as it is, 1 plus cos x can be replaced by, what is the value of 1 plus cos x according to half angle formula? Will be equal to 2 cos square x by 2. And according to half angle formula, value of sin x will be equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. Just simply in both numerator and denominator we have applied half angle formula. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Again check which terms from numerator and denominator will get cancelled. Here cos x by 2 and 1 cos x by 2 from numerator will get cancelled. So here remaining term is cos x by 2, and in the denominator sin x by 2. So which is equals to tan inverse of cos upon sin will be equals to cot. So but our aim is to convert it in terms of tan. So we know that cot can be converted in terms of tan applying allied angle formula. So cot theta can be written as tan pi by 2 minus theta. Check what is the theta here? X by 2. So which is equals to tan and tan inverse will get cancelled. Pi by 2 minus x by 2 will be the simplest form. So once the equation will get converted into simplest form, remaining part is just to find out its differentiation. So differentiate it with respect to x. So derivative of y is dy upon dx, derivative of this constant term is 0, minus keep it as it is, derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Coefficient of x will be its differentiation. So dy upon dx will be equals to minus 1 by 2. In this way we have got the derivative of this function. Now see the last example from this question, example number 12. In this case, given function is y is equal to cot inverse of this trigonometric expression. So if by applying formulas from trigonometry, if we are able to convert it in terms of cot, so cot inverse and cot will get cancelled according to property of inverse trigonometric function, and we are able to convert this function in the simplest form. So let us try to convert this function in the simplest form. So here cot inverse, keep it as it is. So in the numerator, observe the first term. First term is what? Under root 1 plus sine theta. What is theta here? 4x upon 3. So theta by 2 means we are dividing to it by 2. So 2 1s and 2 2s means what result we are getting? 2x by 3. Means if this is theta, then theta by 2 is 2x by 3. So here also we are applying half angle formula. We know that 1 plus sine theta will be equals to cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2 whole bracket square. So cos theta by 2, this is theta, and if we are dividing to it by 2, what we will get? 2x by 3. So 2x by 3 is the value of theta by 2. So cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2. Again theta by 2 is what? 2x by 3 whole bracket square, isn't it? In the same way, this second term can be written as, it is in the form of 1 minus cos theta, which is nothing but value of cos theta by 2, means 2x by 3 minus sine 2x by 3 means minus sine theta by 2 whole bracket square. Same method we are applying in the denominator. In the denominator also, first term is what? 1 plus sine theta, which can be written as cos theta by 2. Theta is, hope you are getting it, theta is what? 4x upon 3 by 2 means 2x upon 3. If we are dividing to it by 2, 2x upon 3 plus sine theta by 2 means 2x upon 3 whole bracket square. So here we will get what? Whole bracket square, isn't it? In the same way, Observe the second term also, and minus, keep it as it is, under root, again 1 minus cos theta will be equals to 1 minus sin theta will be equals to what? Cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 by whole bracket square. Okay, just in the numerator and denominator simply we have applied half angle formulas. Now let us simplify it. So cot inverse, keep it as it is. Observe the numerator very carefully. So here square and root will get cancelled. Remaining term is cos 2x by 3 plus sin 2x by 3, isn't it? So the square and root will get cancelled. Here plus, keep it as it is, plus, and here also after cancelling square and root, remaining term will be cos 2x by 3 minus sin 2x by 3. Same method we are applying in the denominator also. Let us see what we will get in the denominator. Here also square and root will get cancelled. Here remaining term is cos 2x upon 3 plus sin 2x upon 3 minus, keep it as it is. Again here also the square and root will get cancelled. Remaining term will be cos 2x upon 3 minus sin 2x upon 3. So now open the bracket in numerator also and in denominator also. Let us see what we'll get. So here we will get cos 2x upon 3 plus sin 2x upon 3 plus into cos will be plus cos 2x upon 3 plus into minus is minus sin 2x upon 3. In the denominator, let us see what we'll get if we'll open the bracket. So here we will get cos 2x upon 3 plus sin 2x upon 3 minus into cos will be minus cos 2x upon 3 and minus into minus will become plus sin 2x upon 3. Just we are opening the bracket. Now let us check which terms will get cancelled from numerator and denominator. If you will observe numerator very carefully, plus sin 2x by 3 and minus sin 2x by 3 will get cancelled. Now take the addition of remaining two terms. Cos 2x by 3 plus cos 2x by 3 will be twice cos 2x by 3. Now check which terms from denominator will get cancelled. So this plus cos 2x by 3 and minus cos 2x by 3 will get cancelled. Collect the remaining term. Sin 2x by 3 plus sin 2x by 3 will be equal to twice sin 2x by 3. Now again 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So remaining term is y is equal to cot inverse of, observe the remaining term very carefully, cos theta upon sin theta will be equal to cot theta. So cot theta, theta is what here? 2x upon 3. So cot inverse and cot will get cancelled according to property of inverse trigonometric function. So remaining term is what? 2x upon 3. Now we have converted the given function in the simplest form. Now remaining part is just to find out its differentiation. So we are differentiating it with respect to x. Differentiate it with respect to x. Derivative of y is dy upon dx, and on this side whatever may be the coefficient of x will be our required derivative. So what is coefficient of x? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 will be the required derivative of this function. In this way we have completed all the example from question number 7. So in the next video we are starting question number 8 from the same exercise. If you think that these videos are helpful to you, so please like the videos and share these videos with your friends also.